Wow. We finally here. Let's see what Maryland have to offer. Oh, not you. That's perfect. How you doing?
Hi.
Can I ask a couple questions?
Yeah.
How you heard about this place?
So my parents brought me for the fun and just come here and hang.
Hang, okay, for Khmer New Year?
Yep.
Okay. Where you from?
I'm from Cambodia.
Okay.
So that's why the reason we came here, but I was born in America, so.
Got you. And before I go, can you tell me what you rocking today? What you wearing? What's your drip?
So I'm wearing this Jordan jacket, and I got the chain across, and I got some jeans and some boots to match.
Ooh, looking super fly. Okay. And can I see your haircut? Oh wow. Okay. I like what I see. I appreciate you. Okay. You enjoy your time.
Too.
All right. Oh yeah, I forgot. Hey, hold on. Wait a second. I forgot to ask you. Do you have a YouTube, a social media?
Yeah. So I have a YouTube. I have 39 followers right now. It's Landon_3214.
Okay. Can you spell it?
LANDON_3214.
Okay, guys, make sure y'all support him and yeah, subscribe to his channel. So where's y'all guys from?
Originally from
Siem Reap. But where you live at this moment?
I live in Maryland.
Maryland? Oh, okay. And this is your first time selling stuff, or y'all do this every year?
First time.
Oh, first time selling. And this is gonna be a continued thing that y'all gonna do every year for Khmer New Year?
I guess so. We'll see.
We'll see? Okay. Bang chow.
Bang chow.
Bang chow.
Pancake, very good.
What is that? Is that pork?
Mint pork,
Mint pork, ground pork?
bean sprout, and onion.
Nice.
Yeah. Probably have some coconut in the flour.
Got you. Okay. Do you sell every year?
Yeah, they do every year.
Every year?
No, I do twice a year.
Twice a year? Okay.
Yeah, they'll call one package.
Oh, bom pyum. But
Normally they supposed to do it last week, but I think they postponed because everybody do it at the same time.
got you.
Postponed it
So they did it this week.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Next week I think she's a Lao temple.
Okay. The Manassas.
អត់ដឹងនៅណាផង
Okay.
គាត់លក់ឆ្នាំខ្ញុំយូរគាត់
បាទ
អើយតាមផ្លូវហើយតែគាត់ឡងមានខ្ញុំកំងទៅគាត់5 10អត់ហើយ
Hot video though. Are you from Maryland?
I am.
Are you from Maryland? Is it like Silver Spring or
I'm from Gettysburg, actually.
Gettysburg? How far is that?
Say about 15 minutes from here.
50?
15, one
Oh,
time.
15. Oh, wow.
Yeah.
It took me 2 hours to get here.
Where you came from?
At least Richmond.
Oh, Richmond.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just doing a little videos. My first time here.
Oh, okay.
I went to the Cambodian New Year in Richmond last week.
Oh, nice.
So this time I'm trying to experience other states, how they, celebrate their Khmer New Year.
Well, welcome.
All right, thank you.
Yes. You know how people do pickle? How are you?
Hello, Happy New Year's.
You asked for us to
So what are you selling here?
pork sticky rice, pumpkin, and these are coconut with beans in it.
Coconut with beans. What you consider twago?
Yeah.
Oh, twago. Okay. Oh, raw. Yeah.
You gotta take it home to make it.
Got you. You guys from Maryland?
No, Virginia.
Virginia, Richmond?
No, I'm from.
Manassas? Is it a lot of Khmer people in Manassas?
Yeah.
Because I met a couple of vendors and they all from Manassas. So
No. I don't know.
yeah, y'all know.
I want to say Maryland probably has more.
Yeah. Oh, Richmond.
Richmond area.
Richmond, yeah.
$30 for the crown?
First time here. But Happy New Year, okay? Okay. Yeah. That chain look really husky. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you make my chain look small. So wait, where you from? Okay, you a Philadelphia Eagle fan?
Ever since I was born.
I stay in Richmond, so it's a really diverse of different NFL team fans and stuff like that.
I heard the Khmer community in Richmond is big, right? Kinda?
It's decent. Yeah, it's getting bigger. Our Khmer New Year we celebrated last week.
I know out in Harrisburg they were doing that last year too.
Yeah. Y'all should come by maybe next year just
I'll let you know because I've been to the temple out in North Carolina.
Okay.
That joint was nice.
Yeah. I never been to North Carolina.
I try to hit everything. The North Carolina one, there's a Boston one.
Yeah.
One in Philly, or outside of Philly, whatever.
Yeah, Southwest and stuff. Yeah. Southwest is, man, it's lit over there.
So you already know what's up.
So what is your name? Mazi. Sa. What's your name? Sean. Where you from? Are you Khmer?
No, Chinese.
Chinese? Okay. Yeah.
Just stand on a different level there.
Yeah.
I wanted him in it because he's the one who introduced me brought me here.
Oh, got you. Nah, that chain got my attention. I like, okay, he looking clean. Now you still look clean. I know. I gotta bring mine too.
It's subtle, though. It's humble.
I heard you're supposed to wear gold on these New Year's.
Yeah, that is true. Let me just let it dangle out my neck.
It is what it is. I mean, gold stuff.
With your wife, right?
Yeah. She around here somewhere.
I'm a fan, man.
Yeah. Oh man, I appreciate it, bro. I appreciate it. Where you from?
You know Virginia, đó.
Like
No Sterling.
Sterling? Okay. Yeah. How long you been watching me?
And I think from beginning since you did last year Songkran.
Songkran.
With one time, no?
Yeah. Oh man, I appreciate it. Yeah.
One day, don't give up, man.
Yeah, what's your name?
Pet.
Sa.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, bro.
Nice to meet you.
What's going on? What's happening, brother?
What up? You got a YouTube channel?
Yes, sir.
Word?
SaAlmighty.
SaAlmighty.
SaAlmighty, like the movie Bruce Almighty, but SaAlmighty, SaAlmighty.
Word, I'm gonna check it out. Subscribe.
New Year.
Appreciate it. Happy New Year, brother.
New Year, brother.
You guys from Maryland?
Nah, we from Virginia.
Richmond?
Northern Virginia.
Northern Virginia, okay. Do you guys sell every year?
Every year we sell out too.
What make your beef stick different than others?
Recipe.
The recipe.
The love.
The love.
Love.
We always want the love. That's right. Woo, I can feel the heat. But I would not be beat.
Gotta get the fire started, you know?
Are y'all family? Y'all family? Okay. And you from Northern Virginia too?
Yeah.
Is it a lot of Khmer people in Northern Virginia?
Not really, man.
Not really?
Yeah, this is the only time we get to see a lot of Khmer people.
Yeah. I'm from Richmond, so it took me close to a 2-hour to drive here, so.
Yeah, man. It's worth it, though.
Yeah, definitely. What make your papaya salad different than others? Mama.
Mama?
So
With shrimp paste and tamarind. She makes from scratch.
From scratch?
Yeah.
Not from the bottle, not from... Yesterday? Okay. Where you guys from?
Cambodia.
Cambodia. You live in Maryland?
I live in Virginia. These guys, everybody else does it.
Oh, okay.
It's their hometown.
Hometown.